Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shweta from Ludan University. Today the topic is primary surgical treatment of chest wounds. Today in this presentation we'll be discussing about mainly of types of wounds, their surgical treatment. Coming to the chest wounds, these play the major role all over the body because in our body the two main major cavities are abdomen and chest. In chest there are major important role organs, as you know, heart, lungs and other blood vessels passing through thoracic cavity to all the body parts. So this play very crucial role in the wounds topic. So coming to these chest wounds, these can be majorly classified into closed and open wounds based on the open or close of body cavity. Closed wounds are classified into commotion, contusion, and compression wounds. And open chest injuries are classified into penetrating and or non-penetrating, depending on the wound that is happening. And you can see the visual examples over here. This is the penetrating open injury, and this is blunt injury which comes under closed injury, which is mainly occurred due to force, blunt force, and with friction. Closed chest injuries, like how we discussed before, blunt chest injuries, these cannot be shown outside, or it's not a bleeding outside, or we can't see there is an injury outside, but there will be an internal bleeding or inflammation of pleura or pericardium. Based on that injuries, we can classify closed chest injuries as pneumothorax, hemothorax, hemopneumothorax, chylothorax. Pneumothorax means accumulation of air in the pleural cavity. Hemothorax means accumulation of blood in thoracic cavity, and both air and blood in thoracic cavity. Chylothorax, it means the lymph, accumulation of lymph in thoracic cavity. And the only goal to treat this is thoracocentesis, which is our surgical treatment. This is how we treat closed chest injuries with thoracocentesis. Thoracocentesis can be done mid-scapular line, mid-axillary line, and mid-clavicular line. And coming to the point of open chest wounds, in open chest wounds, organs present in the thoracic cavity can be damaged, like how we discussed in closed chest wounds, which can also cause hemothorax. In this case, we must remove blood present in pleura using thoracocentesis. And also, we repair damaged organs by thoracotomy. The thoracotomy is a surgical procedure in which a cut is made between the ribs to see and reach the lungs or other organs in the chest or thorax. Typically, a thoracotomy is performed on the right or left side of the chest. An incision on the front of the chest through the breastbone can also be used, but it is rare used by the surgeons. As we all know, thoracotomy is the opening of the thoracic cavity and repairing the internal organs which are damaged. And so, in open chest wounds, we majorly uh, treat it by thoracotomy surgical method, or we can also treat it by thoracocentesis if there is hemothorax or pneumothorax in the thoracic cavity. And here you can see this is a gunshot wounds, and these are other penetrating open type of chest wounds. And this is how thoracotomy is done by the surgeons. They open the thoracic cavity layer by layer, passing through all the thoracic cavity muscles, and repair the certain organ which is damaged. And after the organ, we they revise all the layers, to avoid infection and they suture it properly. Thank you.